Hi lads, this morning I'm looking at volume, and I'm also going to look at the area of a circle, so hopefully that will help you out, and that then will be area and volume fully revised because we've done 2 videos on that now. Okay, so starting off here with the first question. A candle in the shape of a cylinder is put into a box. The candle has a height of 4 centimeters and a radius of 1.2 centimeters. It says find the volume of the calendar. Give your answer correct to the nearest centimeter cubed. Okay, so for this one, again, you should underline your key information. So we have 4 centimeters as given here. This is our height. And we've also got a radius of 1.2 centimeters. So this is our radius. Now, if you refer to your formula booklet, you will find volume equals pi r squared h. Okay? And it's a matter of substituting in here to find your volume. So what you do here is you replace your value of pi with 3.14. That's the value of pi. Radius is 1.2. Now we check the units, it's centimeters. And that's going to be squared. Height is 4 centimeters. Now with a calculator, you work that out. So if I was to put that into the calculator, you could put it in directly. So for example here, you could put in bracket 3.14 bracket 1.2 bracket squared bracket 4 and close the bracket. And I'm getting again a fraction here, but we don't want it as a fraction, we want it as a decimal. I'm getting a value here of 18.0864. Okay, the question then asked me to the nearest centimeter. Okay, remember this is now volume, so this is going to be centimeters cubed. So we would just want this near centimeter, so therefore our answer is 18 centimeters cubed. Okay, and that is how you do volume. You just need to use your general formula, which is provided in the log tables, which is volume equals pi r squared h. In other words, you're multiplying those 3 values together. Okay, that's volume. Final thing here is how do I get the area of a circle? Okay, so I've written up a question here for you. It says find the area of the circle, and it doesn't tell us any more information other than we have 5.5 here written into the circle. Okay, you should recognize at this stage that we have 5.5 is the radius, okay, which is half the length of the diameter. So half the diameter, remember, is the radius. So if I ask myself a second, if I had to find the diameter of this question, what would it be? It would be 5.5 multiplied by 2, and you get a value then of 11 there for the diameter, if you wanted it. Okay, just be aware of that the diameter is double the length of the radius, or half the diameter is equal to the radius. Okay. Anyways, I'm asked here for this question to find the area of the circle. For this question here, I can use my formula book. Pi r squared is the formula for area. I replace the values of the of pi. So if I look at pi, it's going to be 3.14. So again, the value of pi is always 3.14, never changes. Radius is 5.5. Now don't forget the square here, because that would be a common mistake. Again, you put it straight into your calculator. So bracket 3.14 bracket 5.5 bracket squared, get a value, and you get a value here of 94.985. And let's pretend for a second that we're asked to round it to 2 decimal places. So for this question here, it would be 94.99. You can see here that 5, it's greater or equal to 5, so therefore that's 94.99. and that is 94.99. It could be centimeters squared if this is in centimeters. Okay, and that is how you get the area of a circle. Notice for area, you'll always end up with something squared. For volume, you'll always end up with something cubed. Centimeters cubed or meters cubed, kilometers cubed. Area, something squared. Okay, so hopefully that has made it easier for you. A very quick one this morning, and again, a few questions on this today.